Hello, my name is Clara, and I will be presenting my sustainable coffee shop called Echo Cafe, making strides towards a sustainable future. Now, the problem we'd be addressing is reducing the amount of waste per consumer, reducing energy usage, better use and filtration of wastewater, and reducing pollution. The solution that we propose is performing and encouraging a zero waste lifestyle locally using locally produced goods and renewable energy, biodegradable products, and recyclable materials, as well as recycling wastewater. The consumer feedback we got from our surveys was that many people did agree to having higher prices if it meant for a healthier environment and natural products. They also agreed with the practices and were very intrigued by the idea of having solar panels and renewable energy, as well as reusable materials and locally and organic produced goods. They also had questions about web page and blogging information. They wanted to know if there was going to be any information to where the consumers could look to follow the same practices and ideas as Echo Cafe. For the competition, there would be that of huge franchises like Starbucks and other local businesses, as well as businesses across the US that are pursuing the same interests and ideas as Echo Cafe. Now, for the financial end, evening out the costs was something concerning because things such as solar energy expenses and water treatment can become very expensive for a small business. To kind of help out with that issue, I think funding from other organizations that support sustainable growth and small businesses leaving a green footprint is something that we can look into, as well as the higher prices is kind of to help with that evening out the costs. Consumers that do support and practice the same ideas as Echo Cafe will get discounts and rewarded for their support and practice. To conclude, I believe testing my idea with a coffee cart would be most ideal to kind of get my feet wet and see if it would be a good idea or not, as well as just to do a taste test of our goods and see our services, how they would play out. And the main idea and goal of Echo Cafe is to just change the way business is done and be a firsthand example and prove that business can be done sustainably and in an eco-friendly manner, and that there are alternatives to just running a business. We're also shooting for having a positive impact on the local community and spreading the awareness and behavior of zero waste and recycling and using renewable energy methods. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.